What's up guys, Paddy back again with another video. So today I'm going to show you how you could potentially find items that you could list on your eBay store to make that moolah. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to go hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can be updated for any further uploads I do. And I upload daily. So let's dive in. What we're going to do today is I normally start off with Amazon. But today we're just going to do it right on eBay. Now I'm just going to plug in a keyword. So let's think of a keyword. Biscuit tin, because I've got biscuits with my coffee. Biscuit tin. So let's have a look. Now we're doing this to try and find other dropshippers so we can have a look at what they're selling and potentially sell them ourselves and make some profit. So let's scroll down through these and have a little look. $11.99. Potentially that one. Looks like he sold far too many. For us anyway. Anyway, let's scroll down. Biscuit tin, $7.99. So I want to look for an item which is potentially over £20. Just so the profit margins are a little bit higher. So scroll down. That's nice. I like that. $6.49, $8.99, $12.99, $28.97. Let's take a look at this one. 25 sold. So let's open that up in a new tab, and I'm going to show you how you can find out whether this is a dropshipper or not. So let's see when they've sold these items. You at least want items that have sold over 2 times, preferably, I can't even say that word, at least 2 times, but we do want an item that has sold more than twice in the last month. Now, as you can see, this is quite a hot selling item. Who would have known? Biscuit tins, eh? 21st of March, 15th of March, 12th of March, 8th of March, 7th of March. So this looks like a good item. So let's see if this person is drop shipping it. So what we're going to do is going to scroll down to his description, take some of the description, highlight it, it'll let me, and then search in Google. Now by searching in Google, this should bring up the supplier that they are using. This looks like it could be Argos. So let's open that up and have a little look-see. Okay, so $19.99. This person is more than likely a dropshipper because we found the retailer that they are selling it from. So $28.97 and it's $19.99. So you could potentially list this item. You could snipe this item and undercut him to make sales, or you could completely optimize the title so you could make sales that way. Let's just take this title for a minute, and now we're going to see if anyone else has actually sniped this item. So by plugging the title into the search bar, it should bring up all the other listings with this title. So as you can see, there is. Oh, it looks like they might have sniped this person. So there's 7 results. There's other. Let's make sure the sellers are doing that. Kitchen storage set. Okay, so there's only 2 with that title. But it looks like they've got all the same keywords in. $29.99, $33.99, $28.72, $31.12, $34.99. Now all these people are dropshippers. So now what you could potentially do is go to these sellers, check their sold items and see what they're selling. But we're going to use this one for an example, so I'm just going to go back. So we've identified the retailer that they are using, and it is $19.99 on Argos, and they are selling it for $28.97. So now what we're going to do, as you can see, they've got 844 feedback, which is pretty good. We're going to go over and check out their other items that they are selling and see if there's anything else that we could potentially sell. But yeah, look, they've had no bad feedback at all in the last 12 months. Everyone really happy with this dropshipper. Really pleased with this product. super fast delivery. Thank you. Thank you for the delivery. Item as listed. Good price. Recommended. Right, so here we got the view items for sale. We're just going to click on that. Go through. Bloody hell, we sold 71 of them. Let's have a look. Close this tab, the Argos tab. 1 second while this loads. 71 sold. Looks like another Argos item. 19th of March, 18th of March, 17th of March. So the last few days he's pretty much been selling one of these nearly every day. Let's go back. What are we doing? Forgot. Oh yeah. See where this item has been sourced from. So down to the description. Highlight that. Right click and search in Google. Looks like Argos, but I'm not too sure. Let's take a little look. Come on. Have a little sip of my coffee. Okay, so this looks like Smith Toys. Or Amazon. Let's have a look at that as well. So this is Hot Wheels Crisscross. $35.95. 71 sold. 1 viewed per hour. Okay, let's take a little look. So this isn't going to load up. It's being an idiot. $29.99. How much are you selling it for? $35.95. So there's not really much profit to be made here at all. Are they a dropshipper? £46.50. They're not getting it from Amazon. Let's take a look at some more of this seller's items. So close that tab. I'm going to close that tab as well. I'm going to go back. Now I'm going to go to his sold listings. Just here. So I'm going to click that. Wait for that to open. Now let's have a little look through these items. See where he's sourcing it from as well. He sold 162 recently. Come on. 1 sold. I wouldn't want to sell that, but let's see where he's getting it from. Ooh, looks like he might be using the Hustle Got Real software. So if you don't know what Hustle Got Real is a software that tracks all your inventory for you. I know we don't hold any inventory, but it tracks everything from your suppliers. So if this item is sourced from Argos and it goes out of stock, then our listing here on eBay would also go out of stock. Or if for some reason, if your price changes on your retailer, again let's say Argos, then your price will change to match your markup on your eBay listing. But this looks like it could be an Argos item, so let's just have a quick look. Just want to make sure. $10.99. $10.99. Bloody hell. Okay, so we definitely what's the word? Found a dropshipper. So now what I would do, I would take this UK seller, this store name, plug it into a spreadsheet and build out a sellers list. That way we've always got sellers that we can go to see their sold items and potentially sell them ourselves. Now what I'm showing you here doesn't just work in the UK. If you're in America or any other country, or if you're dropshipping on eBay.com, then this method of finding other dropshippers, sniping people, works there as well. This isn't just for UK dropshippers. So we found that item. It's $10.99 over on Argos. They're selling it for $21.89. So there is a little profit margin just there. Let's have a look at it. It's another item. I want to find an item that is selling more. Hopefully this one. $27.88. Bulb Vanity Mirror Kit. See, to me that title doesn't even make sense, even though he sold 22, because your beginning of your title should be like the most optimized part of it, because it's the beginning of the title that is the most important. So no one's really going to type in 10 LED bulb vanity mirror, are they? They'll probably type in vanity mirror or dressing table. They wouldn't type in 10 LED bulb vanity mirror. Well, I don't think most people would anyway. But let's take a look how often he's sold this item. Do you see how easy this is though? This isn't rocket science. Oh, pardon me. And you can potentially find items. How long's this video been going for? 10 minutes 30. So within 10 minutes we found another dropshipper with a bunch of items that we can potentially sell ourselves, whether we snipe them or optimize them. And I'm a big fan of snoptimizing, finding these items and then optimizing the title myself. So 20th of March, 20th of March, 18th of March, 13th of Jan, 30th of Jan. So he does sell a fair few of these. Let's see where he's sourcing it from. Not too sure about this one. So let's go down to the description. Right, so what we're going to do is highlight some of this, and again we're going to right click and search in Google. I can't even talk today. Google to find his retailer, and it looks like this could be Amazon. So he's selling it for $27.87. Is that the same one? Oh, it's an LED mirror kit. Ah, okay. Set style dressing kit. Okay, so this is a kit. I didn't realise that. Let's have a little look at that. Ah, so it's just a bunch of lights then that you put on your own mirror. But again, we've identified where he's getting it from. It's $22.99. It's $27.87 on here, so there wouldn't be really a lot of profit with this. But I reckon you could probably do a better title than this. I mean, why has he got Hollywood? No one's going to type in Hollywood, are they? So their title's okay, but I reckon you could do a lot better job and probably sell this for $29.99 or potentially maybe $34.99. But you'd have to redo the title and optimize it yourself. But anyway, the point of this video was to show you how quick you can find items to list on your own eBay store. And as you see, this was not rocket science. It doesn't take long at all. So go ahead, try it out, and let me know in the comments below how you get on with doing this method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go and smash subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get updated for any further videos I do. So that being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.